This tutorial guides you through setting tray limits within the Loadvis workspace. You will learn how to adjust tray parameters and save your configuration effectively. Click Tray Management to open the tray configuration area within the workspace. Click Edit to modify the current tray settings and prepare for limit adjustments. Enter the value 120 in the first tray limit field to specify the maximum allowed quantity. Enter the value 120 in the second tray limit field to define the next tray's maximum capacity. Enter the value 120 in the third tray limit field to complete the tray limit configuration. Click Leave Empty for no limit to allow unlimited capacity for the specified tray. Click Save to apply and store all tray limit settings within the workspace.